Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne. We will explain guys where you can expect to find the AC pressure switch. Let me tell you guys, if that switch is bad, your car will not work, and we will share with you guys how you can test it. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, AC pressure switch, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. You can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this information for free. So with all that being said guys, okay, doesn't matter if you have a 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder Cayenne, if you have a turbo, diesel, gasoline, almost all of them will be that way. So usually guys, okay, the AC pressure switch is located on the high pressure line. You have two lines on your AC system, high pressure, low pressure. Those are the pipes guys, okay, that's what they look like. The thick one, the one that's fat, usually is the low pressure pipe, and the one that's thin, okay, it's smaller, it's actually the high pressure line. It makes sense because when the freon goes through the big pipe, it's actually low pressure, and through the little one, it's high pressure. So coming from the compressor, you're going to follow, okay, your lines. You come and you don't see a switch anywhere, then they come here, and from here they disappear. So where is that switch guys? If you actually come to this side, okay, right here, let me show you now. You come to this side right here, you remove, okay, if you remove that windshield trim piece, okay, right here, molding piece, and if you guys sneak a peek underneath, okay, let me just get in, okay, that switch guys, okay, down there, okay, that switch down there, that's your AC pressure switch guys. That device, okay, right there, is known as your AC pressure switch. You can see. Now, how you guys remove those? We have a video that explains that. You want to make sure guys, some switches you have to drain the system completely, depending on which design you have, because otherwise if you remove that switch, all the freon will come out. First, it's illegal, second, it can severely hurt you. So I recommend to have the AC system vacuumed down, okay, they remove all the freon. Any shop can do that for a minimum fee guys, and replace that switch and just recharge your system after that. Start fresh, that way you have fresh freon as well. But in order to remove and replace it, okay, the easiest thing will be to remove the windshield wipers, windshield wiper arms, remove the cowl, a windshield cowl trim piece, and you can just simply access it that way. If you want to see a video about replacement, we'll be making one very soon guys. And now, how to test if that switch is a problem for your AC not to work. We have a video that explains how to test AC switch, okay, and you can find on the channel how to test AC pressure switch. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.